Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to understand the meaning of the equal sign. We've been talking about a lot about the plus sign tells us to add, and that the equal sign means that they are the same. That means each side of the equal sign is the same. So, now we're going to talk about what these are right here. These are called expressions, and I've talked to them a lot about expressions, and expressions only show the parts, and they do not show the whole, because the expressions, they don't like the whole, they only like the parts. So we're only going to use the parts for this. So we're going to look at the pictures, or like the dominoes, to figure out what our expressions are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, so we know it's 5. And then 1 on this side, so it's 5 plus 1. And let's look on this side. 1, 2, 3 on this part. And then on this part, there's 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's like a double, which means that the parts are the same. Now, let's look at this, because now we have to see if both sides of this right here, both expressions, are the same. So let's look. What is 5 plus 1? Well, some of you know what counting on. You put the 5 in your brain. Since 5 is bigger, put 5 in your brain. And we're going to count on one time. So 5, 6. So we know that this is 6, and I'm going to write how much it is at the top. You could have also have counted the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now looking at 3 plus 3. You could put 3 in your brain and count on 3 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can count the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you could have known that 3 plus 3 is a double, and you could have just known that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So now let's look at this. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 3 plus 3 also equals 6. So are they the same? Well, yes, they are the same because they both equal 6. So they are equal. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.